boys and girls. Okay, so today we are going to sit around the carpet and have a little discussion before our read aloud. So I'm noticing that you have stripes on today, and you have black, gray, black, gray. I also have stripes on today, don't I? Yeah, but my pattern is a little bit different. Mine goes white, gray, white, gray. Okay. Oh, I see that you have polka dots on. Your polka dots go pink, white, pink, white. Who can find any other designs like that in our clothing? Everybody look down, look at your shirt, and then look to your left, and look to your right. Can anybody find any other ones? I think I see one other one that is repeats like that. Yeah, go ahead and stand up. So you're wearing checkered pants on, and your colors go red, black, gray, red. Very good. Thank you for showing the class your checkered pants. Go ahead and have a seat again. Does anybody know what that means when we have our colors repeating itself or different shapes repeating itself? What does that mean? Or what's that word? A design. It is a design, but I'm looking for a very specific word. That word is pattern. So a pattern is a repeating arrangement of numbers, colors, or shapes. We're going to put that up on our board here. So repeating, what does that mean? Repeating. Yeah, excellent. So that means that something that's happening again and again and again, you're repeating something. So when we're looking at the stripe pattern, the stripe, does it change at all? Or does it stay the same? Yeah, it stays the same. So we've got white, gray, gray, and white. And it goes all the way down, so it would go on forever. And then what does arrangement mean? Does anybody know? That one's kind of a big word. Arrangement. Okay? Yeah, it's kind of like when they're lined up after one another, right? It's not like one white stripe here and like one gray stripe way over there, right? It's going to be right after one another. They're arranged they're organized one after the other. Okay, and there are two types of patterns that we're going to be talking about today. So the first type of pattern is an A-B pattern. An A-B pattern. Does anybody want to take a guess? How many types of colors, numbers, or shapes do you think is going to be in an A-B pattern? How many letters do we have? Right? A, B. We got two. Yeah, so that's going to give us a hint as to how many different types of colors, shapes, or numbers is going to be in our pattern. So this is only two different colors, numbers, or shapes. Let's put an example of an A-B pattern up on our board. If we only have two colors, who would like to pick our colors? Pink. And let's see, you said green. All right, so we're going to have two colors. So our A is going to represent our pink in this pattern. We have an A. So our first color is pink because A comes first. And then green is going to be our B, our second color in our group. Oh. And does that mean that our pattern stops right there? No, right? Yeah, it says that our pattern repeats itself. So then it would go pink. And then what's after pink? Pink, green. Very good. Our B is our green. So pink, green, pink, green, pink, and green. Very good. Now this would keep going on forever, but how many different colors do we have? No, we don't have three. How many colors am I using? Two, right? Because we only have two different colors in our A-B pattern. Our second pattern, the type of pattern that we're going to be looking at today is our ABC pattern. Oh, I'm throwing something in there. So ABC. How many letters are there? Three. Awesome job. Yeah. One is A, B, and C. We have three different letters in there. So we're going to have three different colors, numbers, or shapes in our patterns. Three different colors, numbers, or shapes. So if we're still using our pink and green example, our A was what? What was our A? Pink. Very good. Our B was green. Nice job. And I'm going to use blue for our next one. I know, I like blue too. Okay, so now that we have our colors, designated colors for each A, B, and C, let's go ahead and make our pattern. So first, like our other one, we have our A, which was pink. Pink. What came next? Green. Would we go on to pink again? No, we wouldn't go on to pink again because we have our blue, remember? So A, B, C. Pink, green, blue. So now our blue is hopping in. How many colors? Three different colors. Very good. And then we would start again. So A is pink, green, and then blue. Very good. Okay. Now we're going to read a little story about patterns. Okay. Got a little read aloud. So this is Teddy Bear Patterns by Barbara McGrath and Tim Niehoff. Okay, so Teddy Bear Patterns. Let's look at our front cover and use our title, Teddy Bear Patterns, to give us an idea on what the story is going to be about. So what do we see for our illustrations? What's on the front cover? Yeah, we have some bears on here, teddy bears to be exact, as we learned in our title. And what do you know about the bears? Yeah, they're all different colors, right? So we got yellow, What's this color? Blue, purple, red, green, and orange. Very good. So we have a whole bunch of different colors that we're going to be using in our patterns. Okay, let's look at our back cover. Where do we find our back cover? On the back, right? Very good. Oh my goodness. They're just turned all which way in that. They're upside down, they're sideways. Yeah. So it says patterns can come in all shapes and sizes. They can be silly and full of surprises. Yeah, we learned that, right? So they can be different numbers, colors, and shapes, right? They don't have to be just colors that we're going to be working with today, but they can be shapes, like our teddy bears. Okay. So let's look at our title page. Title page. Teddy Bear Patterns by Barbara McGrath and illustrated by Tim Niehoff. Oh my gosh, look at all those teddy bears. To make colored patterns, let all the bears out. Teddies will help us bring order about. So what did they do? Yeah, they just let all the bears out. They're everywhere, right? Look at them all over the page. And to bring order about, what do you think they need to do? To start making their patterns. To bring order. Yeah, to kind of like control them so it's not all crazy and disorganized, right? So you want to organize them or categorize them. How do you think they're going to categorize? How would you categorize them? Maybe by shape. But what did you notice about the shape of all the bears? They're the same, right? So they would be in one giant pile, which they kind of already are. So what's another way that you could organize these bears? By color. Nice, excellent job. Because we got a lot of different colors to choose from, right? Okay, let's see if our prediction was right. Oh, were we? Yes, we were right. Sort teddies by color. Red, purple, and blue. Group yellow and orange and green teddies too. So we did circle by our count, or group by circle, group by color. My bad. So we got red, purple, yellow. Say it this side for me. Orange, green, and blue. Very good. Now it wants us to count all the colors. Can you find 6? Let's make a pattern out of this mix. Okay, so let's go ahead and count how many groups we have of different colors. How many different colors do we have? We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 groups of colors of teddy bears. And what color was our number 6? Blue, very good. Okay, so let's see. Now that we have our groups of teddy bears, now we can start making some patterns, right? Now the good stuff's coming. Making patterns is easy with 2 colors of bears. Line them up neatly and 2 colored pairs. 2 colored pairs. What did we learn? What type of pattern involves 2 colors? 2 colors. AB. Yeah, AB pattern. So what colors did they choose? We had pink and green, but they chose red and yellow, right? So we got red, yellow, red. Say it with me. Yellow, red, yellow, red, yellow. You just extended a pattern. Very good. Okay. So that was our AB pattern. Let's look at our other type of pattern. Wiggle a green bear between each red and yellow. Say, excuse me, red guy. Thanks, yellow fellow. So now we added in green, right? So now how many colors do we have? We got red, green,